Good morning, and welcome to physics. Physics is the science of matter and energy, forces and motion, space and time. If that sounds like it covers a lot of ground, it's because it does. Physics covers everything from the smallest subatomic particle up to the largest galaxy clusters and everything in between. In this series of videos, I'm going to present an introductory course in physics just like you'd get if you took physics as a high school senior or a college freshman. The main differences are that we won't have a laboratory section for you to do hands-on work, and you won't be under any pressure to earn a grade. The only thing you have to bring to the table is a knowledge of algebra and an inquisitive mind. We even have a textbook for the course. I've decided to build the course around Project Physics. It's an old textbook, but I like its human approach. More than other textbooks do, it goes into the people who developed the physics we use today and the questions that were on their minds when they were doing their work. Also, the book and all the materials that came with it are available online for free. And if you're like me and you want to have a hard copy, they're inexpensive. I ordered a copy on eBay for less than $5. Before we start with the book, though, I'm going to make a couple of videos about the mathematics that we use in physics that isn't taught in math class. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment on this video. Class dismissed.